Now, ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Frankie the Facts, live from Las Vegas!
I bring it strong and I bring it all day effing long! This is Frankie the Facts! Major League Baseball getting underway. Yankees off to a mediocre start. They 5-4, took 2 out of 3 versus Tampa Bay, showing people who's boss early in that division. I love the acquisition of Swisher. We have missed a player on the team with some emotion, some fire. The last guy who had fire was O'Neill. We haven't had we don't have a captain. We do not have a captain. I don't consider Jeter any effing captain. A captain should have some emotion out there, intensity, getting people fired the F up. Swisher does that. I'm liking what he's bringing so far. And that is that. North Carolina wins NCAA tournament a few weeks ago. Frankie the Facts for the NCAA basketball season up $1,000. So there you go. I made effing money for you. That's what I do with the Frankie the Facts show. That's what I do best. Kentucky Derby coming up. I'm going to have all my picks. We got I Want Revenge. We got Pioneer of the Nile. Frisian effing Fire. It's going to be phenomenal. I will give you my winners next week for the Kentucky effing Derby. Now we're going to shift to a little political news and our stupid, as dumb as they come, President Obama with the whole pirate situation. He waited 6 effing days to sniper these guys. 6 effing days. I said the next day, I was having a discussion with some of my friends. I said, get some snipers on them. Sniper them out. That was 3 or 4 days before Obama actually gave the order. So Frankie the Facts is about 4 days smarter than our president. I told you, you give me the country for 1 year, I will have this country in effing order. Obama's an idiot. How would you deal with these pirates? That's my question. How would you deal with these effing Somalia pirates? I'd take them out. I set them up. I would send a little boat. I would send an American boat in their little by their waters, right, on purpose. You see if you see the Somalis coming up, right, and you call the F-18. Here they come. F-18 comes over, blows the ship right out of the water. A little set-up sting operation, okay? And then you tell those pirates, this is what's going to happen to you every time you come within 500 yards of an American ship. Case effing closed. That's how Frankie the Facts does business. This is Frankie the Facts. Send your comments on the Frankie the Facts show. What do you think we should do with these pirates? What about the Kentucky Derby? Who do you like? This is Frankie the Facts. Go to my website, FrankieTheFacts.com. I got Las Vegas reviews. I got chat rooms. It goes through the roof with the Frankie the Facts show. This is Frankie the Facts. Pop from all angles like I usually do. I bring it strong. I bring it all day long. Cause I'm Frankie the Facts. Cause I'm Frankie the Facts. Cause I'm Frankie.